This is my friend Brian, and this is his Indian Chieftain in the Wildfire Red over Thunder Black spec. Beautiful, right? Yeah, he sold it recently to a dealership and bought an Indian Challenger. And that Challenger only had 6 miles on it, and he immediately started doing this to it.
I know how to get this line off.
Alright, here's the backstory. The day that he bought the Black Indian Challenger was the exact same day I rode the Indian Chief for the first time. And it was the exact same day that the white Challenger was in the garage getting that mid pipe from Tab Performance installed. And it was the exact same day he gave me the keys to his Rocket 3. So Brian just took his Rocket 3 off the truck, and I'm guessing just gonna leave it with me for a little while.
Y'all know what y'all can do?
What?
Get that bike in here and close that door.
See, I told you about his old ass, man.
So Brian changed out the stock exhaust. I'm gonna give you guys a better look at this another day, but he literally just brought it. There's James. He rides the Orange Victory Magnum. Brian, you guys know him with the Chieftain. Then there's Jared with his Challenger.
Wait,
with the V-Rod and the 109.
Was that loud? That's what I heard?
Yes!
Actually,
you changed the
louder
exhaust.
than that. I only tapped the exhaust.
But he's leaving me with the Rocket for a little while to let me.
Yeah, man. Just
ride
don't hurt
molest
yourself,
it.
please, sir.
Don't hurt myself? Okay. I guess.
You can. It got like 700 miles on it now, so you know, wait a little bit, get it about to 1,000 miles. I'm sure you're gonna get the miles on it. And after 1,000 miles, man, just let it rip.
All right. So a lot went on this day, and it was just a night full of fun and fellowship with friends, drinks, and motorcycles. So here's the rest of that night with the Black Indian Challenger. So yeah. Oh, well, hello there. Well, this was unexpected. It's another Challenger, it looks like. Well, all right. Well, here we go. Huh. Challenger. Challenger. Another Challenger. Wasn't expecting this. Jared, was this your doing?
Yeah.
James, what are you doing? Why are you moving my bike? My new bike for a month.
Well, let's for a month.
Does the bike even have a mile on it?
6.
No, we're taking it apart.
Put them on the carpet over here.
Right.
Put them inside the.
I put them up under the bike.
Put them inside the bag.
Yep, that was good. I wouldn't even get none of that color insurance thing. It just dropped out. Once you loosen it, it'll drop out. Is that lit up, right?
Yes.
That ain't even the lights.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They did that. Yeah, they did that. Hey, dang, I can start that screw right now.
Hold on. I think it's done.
Screw it all in, y'all. I'm gonna
Yeah, that's
put just a little bit in it.
That's the one on the socket, so whatever is already on the on the extension.
That was a sticker.
Might take the boots off.
I need to find a way to get all that residue off.
I can deal with it. Now go ahead and get that on there. It just go ahead and make sure those screws know how to get this line off and put it back after the dangling in the motor. It's kind of tricky, yes. So you have to take the light off. Hey, Brian, you gonna black out the chrome on top of the bag? Yeah. Let's see this part right here. I never did on mine. That's what I got to do. I didn't put the extensions on.
Music, it's doesn't hurt the crew, y'all. Blame my game when I run into y'all. I don't think about your bitch up high. I don't rather be the crew.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. So that same process will go for this too.
If I like how it looks, yeah.
That's the money shot there.
I ain't got no bread anyway, but you know.
Way to do it. Right.
We ain't got the bread for that. Okay. We got some bread.
Hey, get up. You cannot enjoy it. Hey, get up. I just.
Good.
Hey, you don't supposed to do that.
Bro, just let me do it again.
Alright. Let me see if they're in that little paper right here. No.
Is that okay because you signed up? Oh, that's good. That's kind of never mind.
That very much.
Well, you hit the right or the left?
40 on the range. I ain't seen that in a minute.
That's enough.
That's the right, yeah.
The right turn on?
No, I thought you had them swapped for some reason. Like for some way they got swapped. Yeah, that's good.
Of course it's gonna look good, huh?
You about to blow our eardrums out. Hey, move that cord. I don't want to trip over it.
Look at that chill, boy. Cold. Alright.
Yeah, I see your video though.
You see it, man?
Yeah.
Got some work to do, though.
Yeah.
Alright.
This sounds quieter.
Huh?
It sounds a little bit quieter. Hey, we said it was, woo, that black though. Hey, we said it was that, Sorry, Desiree.
Yeah, I know, right?